Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap. Join me on Saturday, February 5th for a fun card making workshop. I found a card I really like and I've turned it into a clever formula. Let's take a look at what we're going to make. Now this is what I call a wiper card. It's fun because sandwiched in between these two layers of paper is a little pop-up that when you pull outward on the card base, boom, you have this little greeting show up. Isn't that fun? And I'm using Club Scrap's January card kit materials. This collection is called What's Up Buttercup. And I'm also using our rubber stamp sheet from that same collection. So if you want to have exactly the supplies I used, you can purchase them individually by the sheet from our website, or you can also pick up the What's Up Buttercup card kit for a lot more embellishments and other materials. And then this stamp sheet, of course, is sold separately. So again, with my formula, you're going to be making 1, 2, 3, 4 fun cards. I'll have the formula for you along with all the trimming instructions. That will become available on the 5th of February and thereafter. And then here we have the papers that I use, which include the Buttercup print and then 4 plain colors: yellow, pink, green, and purple. You have the option of either using some white paper to make panels to stamp on. I'll give you trimming instructions for that as well. Or you can also adapt our pre-printed cut aparts to help you finish those cards if you're not a fan of stamping. So again, looking forward to seeing you on February 5th for a fun workshop. Let's hang out then.